Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see exercise 13.2 problems. First one, construct a triangle ABC in which BC 7 cm, angle B 75 and AB plus AC 12 cm. So first manaki ఇచ్చిన measurements రాసేయండి. Write the given measurements and we have to draw the rough sketch. Okay, so don't forget to draw the rough sketch. So base is 7 centimeters base. So at 0 1 point and at 7 1 point. Okay, now we have to join these 2 points. Angle B 75. So angle is going from this side now. So between 70 and 80 75. So draw a ray by joining this point and B. So write here 75 degrees and BX ray. Now with the compass, here sum of two sides 12 centimeters they gave now. So we have to draw an arc with the radius of 12 centimeters. So take the radius 12 centimeter and by taking B as center, draw an arc. Okay, now just extend BX ray such that it intersect that arc. Take the intersecting point of arc as D. Now we have to join this C and D. So join C and D. So actually the constructions are very easy when you know the process. Okay, so now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for this CD. So take more than half in CD and draw the arcs by taking C as center on either side. Line ki rendu vaipula 2 arcs anevi draw cheyandi. From D also with the same radius draw 2 arcs. So the 2 arcs intersect at one point. So through that point of intersection, draw a line. Okay, so like this, draw a line. Now this line intersect BX ray at one point. Okay, so that point is taken as A. So by joining AC, required triangle ABC is formed. So AC is joined. So ABC is the required triangle for us. If you measure this AC, C 7.5 and AB we got 4.5. 7.5 and 4.5 is 12 centimeters. So ABC is the required triangle. Steps of construction. So first a line segment BC is equals to 7 centimeter is drawn. Now BX ray is drawn such that angle XBC is 75 degrees. Okay. Now with 12 centimeter radius, with B as center, an arc is drawn. It intersects BX at D. So now join C and D. A perpendicular bisector is drawn for CD. It intersects BD at A. So by joining B and C, required triangle ABC is formed. Second problem. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR equals to 8 cm, angle Q 60 and PQ minus PR 3.5. So students, just first write the given information and draw the rough sketch. Okay, so Q or 8 centimeters. Take the scale, put the point at 0 and 8. So Q are 8 centimeters. So what about angle Q? 60 degrees. Okay, so see here, if you take angle Q 60 and if you follow the process, the perpendicular bisector is not intersecting this QX ray. Okay, so triangle అనేది ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ అవ్వదు. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట డిఫరెన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు. సో ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది చూద్దాం. సో మీరు 60 తీసుకొని నార్మల్ ప్రాసెస్లో మీరు ప్రాబ్లం చేసినప్పుడు 60 అండ్ 3.5తో 1 ఆర్క్ అండ్ ఆర్ఎస్కి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైసెక్టర్ డ్రా చేస్తే ఇలా వస్తుంది. సో మనకి ట్రయాంగిల్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవ్వదు. సో జస్ట్ టేక్ 30 ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 60 యాంగులర్ బైసెక్టర్ తీసుకోవాలి అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, సో హియర్ take 30 degrees. So this is 30. So draw a ray in this direction. QX. Now what is the difference between PQ and PR? 3.5. So take the compass and measure the radius of 3.5. So with Q as center, draw a ray like this. So take the intersecting point as S. So now join R and S. Okay, so this is 3.5 and this is 30 degrees. Now take the compass and draw the perpendicular bisector to QS. Okay, so more than half తీసుకొని ఆ లైన్కి either side అంటే రెండు వైపులా డ్రా చేయాలి. And from S also with the same radius draw the arcs. So draw a line like this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of RS. So this perpendicular bisector intersect QX ray at one point. That is the vertex P. Now join P and R. Okay, so this is the required triangle PQR. PQR. So first measure it. PQ how much? It is 7.5. And PR it is 4. Okay, so 7.5 minus 4 is 3.5 only na? So our construction is correct. So the same problem, if we take 60 angle, how can you construct? Okay, so draw a line segment QR 8 centimeters. Now so represent angle 60 degrees. Okay, so draw a ray like this. So this is QX ray. Now PQ minus PR is equals to 3.5 degrees, right? So here we have to take the point S. Okay, the point S on this produced QX. Okay, so just produce this to this side like this. Now take 3.5 centimeters radius. Here we have now. So I am measuring this. Now with Q as center, draw an arc in this direction. Okay, so now it is S. So join R and S. Now draw the perpendicular bisector to this RS. Take more than half and draw two arcs like this, and from S also draw arc. So again come here and just extend it. So draw a line through the point of intersection. Now this perpendicular bisector intersecting QX ray at one point. That point is the vertex P. Okay. So now just join P and R. So this is the PQR required triangle. Okay. Now measure PQ. Okay. So if you measure PQ, see this is 3.5. PQ is 3.5 and PR is 7. So 7 minus 3.5. Again 3.5 only na? Okay. So either in this way or this way you can construct ma. Okay. So steps of construction. First, a line segment QR equals to 8 cm is drawn. Next, QX ray is drawn such that XQR is 60 and produced QX below QR. An arc is drawn with Q as center with a 3.5 cm radius. It intersects at S. SR is joined. So perpendicular bisector is drawn for SR. It intersects QX ray at P. So by joining P and R, the required triangle PQR is formed for this model. Okay. And for this, QR equals to 8 cm is drawn, or a line segment QR equals to 8 cm is drawn. Next, QX ray is drawn such that XQR as 30 degrees. A perpendicular bisector is drawn for this SR. It intersects QX at P. Okay. So by joining P and R, the required quadrilateral PQR is formed. Third problem, construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y 30, angle Z 60 and sum of three sides 10 centimeters. So for this type of construction, first draw a rough sketch like this and sum of three sides 10 centimeters. Now, so draw a line segment 10 centimeters. Okay, that is the base. So here we have to construct XYZ. So take this as EAB 10 centimeters. Now here we have 30, right? So take half in that 30, that is 15 degrees, right? And half in 60, 30 degrees. So students, if you take 30, again you have to construct the angular bisector. Okay. So ala kakunda directly we are constructing 15. So see, between 10 and 20, this will be the 15. So draw a ray. AP. Okay, this is 15 degrees. Now half of in 60, 30 degrees. So with the protractor at B 30 degrees. So from this side, so take the above scale and 30 here. Again draw another ray. SQ. This is 30 degrees. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So take this point of intersection as X. Now draw the perpendicular bisector for XA. So take more than half. Okay. Draw a ray here and here also. And this side. On either side of a line, we have to draw the arcs. So just join these two with a line. So this intersect AB at one point. That is Y. Okay. Now similarly, draw perpendicular bisector for BX also. Take more than half in BX. Draw an arc from B, and similarly from C also draw another arc. So draw a line through these 2 points of contacts. So it intersect AB at one point, that is Z. So now join XZ and XY. Okay, so this is the required triangle. So simple గా నేను చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ 10 centimeters ఉంది. సో 10 centimeters తో draw a line and next angle y 30. So half in that 30. Angle A draw చేయండి ఒక రే. అలాగే 60. So half in that 60, 30 another ray. So the point of intersection of these two arcs take as X. Okay. So AX కి ఒక perpendicular bisector draw చేస్తాం that intersect AB at one point, that is Y, and perpendicular bisector to BX also drawn. It intersect AB at another point, that is Z. So by joining XY and XZ, the required triangle is formed. So if you measure, see XY as 4. Sorry, YZ as 4 and XY also 4. Next XZ as 2. So 4 plus 4 plus 2, total 10 centimeters. Okay, so our construction is correct. Steps of construction. A line segment AB 10 centimeter is drawn. Y 10 centimeter. The sum of three sides 10 centimeters. Next, AP ray and BQ ray are drawn such that angle PAB half in Y and angle QBA half in Z, 15 and 30. Next, they both intersect at X. Okay, so now perpendicular bisectors are drawn for AX and BX. They intersect AB at Y and Z respectively. So by joining XY and XZ, required triangle XYZ is formed. Students, steps of construction you can write in your own words ma. మీరు చేసిన ప్రాసెస్ అనేది మీరు రాయొచ్చు కొంచెం అటు ఇటుగా. ఓకే. Construct a right triangle whose base is 7.5 cm and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 15 centimeters. సో సింపుల్గా మనకు ఒక బేస్ ఇచ్చారు, సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ సైడ్స్ ఇచ్చారు, జస్ట్ లైక్ అవర్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ రైట్ ద గివెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ and draw the rough sketch. So because it is a right triangle, so right angle must be there. Okay, so now What is the base of the triangle? 7.5. So put a point at 0 and at 7.5. So join these 2 points B, C. So this is 7.5 centimeters. To draw 90 degrees, you can directly draw like this, or you can use protractor. Okay. So draw a ray like this. This is 90 degrees. So after drawing the ray, we have to draw an arc with the radius 15 centimeter, because sum of two sides, hypotenuse and one side 15 na? So measure 15 centimeters radius like this, and by taking B as center, draw an arc. Okay students, so the arc intersect B X-ray at one point. Let that point be D. Now we have to join this C and D using the scale. So join this C and D with a line. Okay. Now we have to draw a perpendicular bisector for this CD. Okay. So take more than half in CD and draw the arcs on either side of the line. అంటే లైన్కి రెండు వైపులా కూడా ఆ లైన్లో హాఫ్ కంటే ఎక్కువ రేడియస్ తీసుకొని ఆర్క్స్ అనేవి డ్రా చేయాలి. సేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ D ఆల్సో వీఆర్ డూయింగ్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ నాట్ ఇంటర్సెక్టెడ్, సో ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ ఎక్స్టెండింగ్ ఇట్. నౌ దీస్ టూ ఆర్క్స్ మీట్ at one point, right? So on either side. So we have to join those intersecting points. So draw a line by joining those intersecting points. So that line intersect B X-ray at one point. Okay, so that point is A. So after joining A and C, ABC formed triangle is the required triangle. So now I am joining this A and C. So this ABC is the required triangle. So if you measure AC 9 centimeters and AB 6. So 9 plus 6, 15. So sum of two sides 15 centimeters, hypotenuse and the other side. So our construction is correct. Steps of construction. So draw a line segment BC is equals to 7.5 centimeter, or a line segment BC equals to 7.5 centimeter is drawn. Okay. So now BX ray is drawn such that angle XBC is 90 degrees with B as center with 15 centimeter radius. An arc is drawn. It intersects B X-ray at D. C and D is joined. Perpendicular bisector is drawn for CD. It intersects BD at A. By joining A and C, required triangle ABC is formed.